These are the best gluten-free sugar cookies you will ever eat. First, add the butter to a mixing bowl, and then add your sugar, and then mix it up. Next, you're going to add 2 eggs. You can also use your favorite egg substitute, and then mix it up until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Now, you're going to add your salt, baking powder, xanthan gum, and vanilla, and mix until it is just combined. Last but not least is the flour. Make sure you're using a good gluten-free flour and mix it up. The secret to rolling out your sugar cookie dough is to roll it out in between 2 sheets of plastic wrap so it doesn't stick. Peel the plastic wrap back and then use your favorite cookie cutter. We're going to use a round cookie cutter, which we're then going to make into pumpkins, and then a cute little bat cookie cutter, but you can use whatever you have. We're also going to make some candy corn cookies just by cutting our dough. Now to make your pumpkins, make a little indentation at the top and bottom of each round, and then add a little scrap of dough to make the stem. Just bake your cookies, and then you can get to decorating. I just used my favorite buttercream frosting, which you can find the link on my website, and I just frosted them using a knife. Super easy. A little green for the stem, and you are set. Now we're going to do the candy corn, and just do orange on the bottom, yellow in the middle, and then a little bit of white on top, and clean up the edges, and you're done. And I just used a little bit of chocolate frosting tinted black for my bat cookies. So cute. That's all there is to it. I hope you and your family and friends have a spooky and safe Halloween. Ooh.